On today's video, we'll be working on this mirror door. What happens a lot of times on the bottom, we have our two roller guides, and eventually what happens is they either break or you'll have to replace it because you lose the roller that attaches to the bottom. You can see here in the back that the roller is missing, and what's happening is the support for the roller guide is scraping against the tracking. First, we're going to have to remove the door so that we can lay it on its side and start working on it. Here you can see the inside of the track. You're basically just going to take both hands when you grab the door from the sides, and then you'll push up, and as you push up you'll pull the bottom out towards you. Just be very careful when you're working on the door. You don't want to be too abrasive here, especially on the frame with the glass or the mirror that is inside of the frame. So right now we're going to start by removing or pulling this clip out, and this will allow us to move the bracket up and down. Here I just take some needle nose and pry it out. Here we have to bend this panel and this panel right here. This is what secures to the side of the frame as well as the bottom here. And what I did was I did use a needle nose, and once I do that I'm able to pull it right out. Once you remove your bottom bracket, we're going to install the new one. I'm basically going to install it the same way we took the other one out. So this grabs to the bottom underneath the frame, and this goes inside the slot. And then what you're basically doing, and like I said, be gentle, you don't want to crack the mirror, is push up. And once you do that, the bracket literally just locks right in place. I have seen in some cases where a technician will actually take a self-tapper and go right into the frame. I kind of caution towards that, because if you do use a long screw, I mean, you should be able to go right in without any issues. But if you are not experienced, if you have not been exposed to this type of work, I would say that this just leaving here, the bracket's not going to move anywhere. It's nice and secure because it locks in here and on the bottom as well. If you feel the need to secure it with a screw, go ahead and do so. Go ahead and put the door back in the track and then go ahead and test it. The last thing I do recommend is making the adjustments to your roller guide. You want to make sure when you close your door that it is nice and level. You can see here we have an opening, and then here it closes at the bottom. You are going to have to make your adjustments here. This pin right here, as you push it down, it allows the door to go up, and as you push it up, it allows the door to go down. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.